Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to block the debit card using HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse on Pay. Under Card section, select Debit Card from the menu. You will be landed to your Cards page, where you can find your linked credit card and debit card. Scroll down to Debit Card section. Click on the arrow icon next to the name of your debit card. You will be landed to Debit Card Summary page. To block the debit card, click on the Block button. Select the reason for blocking the card. Enter remarks if any. Click on Block Card to proceed. Remember, once you block the card, you won't be able to unblock it. You have to apply for a new debit card by visiting your branch. This is how you can block the debit card using HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Thank you for watching.